Hello dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered why we age? The simple answer is because of the uncontrollable passage of time, wherein the DNA at the end of the chromosomes called the telomeres get shorter with each cell division. Sorry for the medical terms throughout this vlog because I cannot help but use them, but I will try my best to explain it in the easiest way possible. When these telomeres run out, the cell dies. But why do some people age faster than others? Isn't it unfair? It is because the biological and the pathological processes vary from one person to another person. Fortunately, such can be controlled to some degree by addressing the following. First of all, we have the free radicals. These are dangerous molecules in our bodies that impair cells through the condition which produce free radicals, wherein the DNA is attacked by these free radicals. Genetic mutations result, which can result in cancer. Free radical damage or oxidative stress is associated with aging, which intensifies from continual exposure to harmful stimuli such as smoking, auto exhaust, air pollution, radiation, chemical pollutants, and most commonly to the food that we eat. Since brain cells are particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress, we see a lot of elderly developing neurological diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's diseases. Relating this to the present times, our immune system is into action to fight off bacteria and viruses. A byproduct of that activity is the production of free radicals. The answer to this situation is the intake of antioxidant foods and supplements. We can also help our system by avoiding saturated fats and by not consuming more calories than we need, as this will produce more free radicals than we need to. Chronic inflammation can have its outward manifestation through arthritis, which is actually inflammation of your joint areas. It also leads to interior damage of the brain cells, arterial walls, and heart valves. The first step as a constructive measure to prevent damage to these organs is to take your blood tests regularly to know whether or not you have elevated markers for inflammation. Now, recommended lab tests for this are fibrinogen, C-reactive protein, homocysteine, to name a few. Hormonal imbalances are a contributing factor to many conditions associated with aging, like new patterns of fat distribution, loss of libido, fatigue, osteoporosis, depression, and coronary artery disease. Anti-aging physicians often address this through HRT or hormone replacement therapy. The immune system's ability to fight bacteria, viruses, and cancer cells decreases as one ages because the thymus gland, which produces the T cells to fight infection, becomes smaller or starts to shrink. Glycosylation, which is experienced mostly by diabetics, is the process wherein the protein molecule binds to the glucose molecules to form non-functioning structures, resulting in dementia, stiffening of the arterial system, and degenerative eye diseases. Methylation deficit may also be present, which prevents the DNA to have constant enzymatic actions for repair. And then we have the mitochondrial energy depletion, which results in reduction of potent anticoagulants like coenzyme Q10, alpha-lipoic acid, which work to counter free radicals. This is when one develops congestive heart failure, muscle weakness, and fatigue. There may also be excessive calcification of the arteries, leading to arteriosclerosis because of calcium migrating from the bones to the arteries. Then we also have fatty acid imbalance, secondary to alterations in enzymes needed to convert dietary fats into essential fatty acids, which may be manifested as regular heartbeat, joint degeneration, low energy, and other common ailments associated with aging. Digestive enzyme deficit of the aging pancreas and inadequate secretion of bile acids by the liver may also result in chronic indigestion. Decreased circulation to the tiny capillaries of the eyes and brain lead to cataracts, macular degeneration, and glaucoma, and also to major and mini strokes. Then we also have mental or emotional components. Science has shown that the link between our brain and the state of our health. We may either think ourselves young or think ourselves old. Chronic and intense psychological stress levels increase susceptibility to common colds, as published in the New England Journal of Medicine. On the other hand, the Harvard study of adult development after a long-range study showed that optimism is very good for one's health. Chronic stress can lead to chronic hypertension, which is actually a silent killer, and increased muscle tension leading to headaches, chronic pain, and fatigue. There you have it, my dear viewers. I have mentioned the multiple factors that hasten aging. Address them and you will surely delay aging naturally, and your peers will start calling you ageless. Please do subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to click the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.